Hi everybody, I'm Jackie Sullivan with Versa Mobility. I am the founder and inventor of the new walker products that I have displayed here. If you're familiar with what Cindy is holding here, these are the products that we tend to see on walkers. They might be the rubber caps or plastic caps, tennis balls, or the skis. And as you can see here, they're worn down because many people take tennis balls outside. And so when you're on cement and asphalt, not only do they wear down, but as you come back home into your home environment, you're bringing in the germs and you're starting to destroy your floors. So introducing the two products that we have here, you have the Versa Select, which is a hinge design. So I'm outside here. This is a super tough nylon surface. Now I'm going to be entering the home, and all I do is just kick that down to release the soft carpeted footing, which is integrated into the nylon, flipped up and flipped down. And now I'm protecting my floors, which might be tile, hardwood, or even carpet. And when I'm leaving the house from a seated position, I'll use maybe this bench over here. So when I'm leaving the house from a seated position, all I would do is just lift up, and I would flip these up. They actually snap in an upright position. And now I'm ready to go. One alternative for the hinge is our snap design, which is called the Versa Coast. So if I didn't want to worry about flipping it up and keeping it on the walker, I could simply use the foot release back here and just pop off my house shoes for the walker and go outside. When I come back home, again, all I'm going to do is realign that coaster and snap it back in place. So it's keeping your germs outside of the house, again protecting. And now that you have the carpet, it's not going to puncture through like these tennis balls because you have a secondary hard coaster.
You know, Jackie, in my home health experience, I walked into a house one day, hardwood floors, and you see those streaks all over all right, so they had the plastic hard skis, took them out in the gravel, roughed them up, came back in on the hardwood floors, and I mean, that was run, just absolute run. So yeah, Versa Mobility, we have tried these out. Love, love, love these. This is the most innovative design. These type of walker, skis, awesome, awesome, awesome.
Thank you. And so I'm a therapist by trade. I work in nursing homes, and I have seen walkers start to actually go in opposite directions because you have the wear of one, which is going to be different than the other, in addition to the scratching of the floors. And what's really nice about this as well is now that you have this versatile on-off approach, you're able to also see it and know if something is wearing down and if you need to clean it. So it's really multifactorial, multi-beneficial.
Free by wonderful product by Versa Mobility. Thank you so much. Today, Jackie. We are adaptive equipment product innovator community. We are trying to work with small businesses. We're all better together. So we're trying to bring in small businesses so that everybody can have an opportunity to see these wonderful products, these specialty products that you're not going to just find anywhere. So we're glad you're here today, Jackie.